Welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today is a ride with classic bikes. All of us are going to ride the Javas and the HDs, and we'll get going. I'll see you right on the other side of this video. We have the Java with the sidecar, we have the Lambretta and another Java which is just restored. So all of this, so now going to one more friend's place, Ajay's place, where we'll have a couple of more bikes and then all of us go there. So I'll keep my Hermes there and pick up a couple of other HDs and Javas, so the couple of Road Kings and Javas there, so we'll pick them up. So there we go. So there's the Java with the sidecar, and my little one, she loves to sit on that, so she's gone on that. So I'm just going to Ajay's place now, and then also change my motorcycle. Then we have the Lambretta right ahead, and my elder brother riding another Java which is completely restored there. So we'll be swapping bike very soon. So this is the one with the sidecar. And then you have the Lambretta and the Java. So here we are at Ajay's place. So we have some more vintages there. And there you see, there's some more vintage motorcycles there. So I will take one of them. So here we have the SD Road King 1 and 2. And then we have Priya there. And another Vijay Super. And Rajdut, this is the one which I am riding. And then we've got the Bobby. You've seen this video on my channel, you've seen this also. I'm going to link all those on the top if you want to watch any of this video. Fully restored Rajdut, fully restored Bobby, fully restored Road King also, and also Vijay Super fully restored. All of these videos are there on my YouTube channel. Link on the top if you want to watch that. And Ajay, are we ready to go?
Yes sir, let's do it.
Yes. So Rajdut it is. And there we have the Bobby, and here I have the Rajdut 175. And Ajay is going to take his Road King. There you see the Bobby. And here we start. So I'm riding the Rajdut 175, and then there's my elder brother and my nephew and my daughter. So they're on the Java with the sidecar. And then another nephew of mine is riding Lambretta. My elder brother, he's riding a Java which is completely restored. And then Guru, he's riding a Bobby. Let me show you that. There you see Guru riding a Bobby, and then Ajay is gone a little ahead. He's riding a Road King. That Road King, and then there was another Road King and Java. All of us had been to a ride which was Kurg ride. If you want to watch that video, I'm going to give a link on the top. You can go check out. It was all King's Ride. It was called King's Ride, and all two-stroke SD Javas with part of that ride. And I was riding one of those Road Kings. So you want to watch that video, go ahead, click on the card and watch that. And now we are going towards Panambur. There's a fuel station there, That's where we all need to go there and then put this on display, followed by breakfast, and then we'll be back. Looks like my daughter Arna is just having a ball of a time. She just is having fun on the sidecar. There you go. And that's my elder brother. He's on the fully restored Java. And in the mirror you can see that's the Lameretta. So I've done a video on that as well. We need to take a U-turn here. There. See them all. These are all the motorcycles which have come here at Indian Oil. Flag off for XP100 bike rally from Panambur service station. Look at the MAT. So this is the MAT which is done from Kanyakumari to Khardungla. So now we are basically flagging off the event. So this was the launch of XP100 in Mangalore. So the chairman of Indian Oil Corp had come here. So all the bikes are getting started and we are flagging off the event. So the chairman S.M Vaidya of Indian Oil Corp had visited. So the gentleman there with the Modi coat is the chairman. So he's flagging us off. And you see all the big bikes going ahead, and then we have our classic and vintage bikes now. So we're going for a small spin now, a rally. Well, we come to an end of this event. So the chairman has flagged off. We're just going back to our house. Had a lovely ride, a very short and sweet ride, not more than 10-12 kilometers. All the bikes came out, got a chance to see some sunshine. So Bobby's right behind me now. Yes, see this? There you go. That's Bobby. And then we have the Java which has a single seat. So thank you so much. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. There's the Lambretta. Harsha is riding that. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until the next video, keep it rolling. Bye bye for now.